Hello everyone, welcome to our lesson for today, and this is teacher RJ. Today we'll be talking about LCM, or lowest common multiple. Okay, this is still part of our unit 2 topic in our book about factors, and what we discussed before was HCF, that was highest common factor. Okay, so this time it's different, so we are talking now lowest common multiple. By the way, in finding lowest common multiple, there are three methods, and the three methods are by listing, by prime factorization or multiplication, and short division. Okay, so today we'll be discussing about by listing. Okay, by listing. This is our topic for today. This time, we try to concentrate first on how to find the multiples of a number using listing. The first thing you got to do is to write, okay, now, if we have this problem here, find, okay, so that you'll understand better, we'll put it in number. The problem is find the multiples of 2 and 3. Okay? Multiples of 2 and 3. Before that, we have to think, what is multiple? So multiple meaning we are going to use multiplication. Okay? We're going to use multiplication here. And how to use it? The first thing you do is to write these two numbers, 2 and 3 vertically. Okay, so I will write it, I will take this one out so that you will understand better. Okay, I'll take this one out so that you will understand better. So how are we gonna apply this? You say by listing. So you start with 2 times 1. Remember, you go from 1 until your desired number. So here I will start with 2 times 1, so that's 2. Then space, 2 times 2 is 4, right? 2 times 2 is 4. So that's how you do the listing using its multiples. Then we have 2 times 3 is 6. Then 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 6 is 12. Now, here, I want to start, okay, let me take this one out so that what is the teacher, all there is there. Okay, let me take it out first. So, here, for me to find multiples of a number, I will stop until I get the multiples until it's on the 5th multiple. Okay, so I will again start with the other number that is given in the problem. So I will write 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6, right? 3 times 3 is 9. Okay, 3 times 3, right? 3 times 4 is 12. And then 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 6 is 18. So these numbers that I was doing earlier are the multiples of each number. This one is the multiple of 2. This list of numbers are the multiples of 2, and these are the list of multiples of 3. Okay, now what will happen is for you to find the common multiple, because that is actually our problem. Our problem was to find the lowest common multiple, but here we are going to find first, because the problem says find the multiples of 2 and 3. Okay? They never state lowest yet. Just find the multiples of 2 and 3. So we already have this as our answer. Okay, now, so meaning we answered this one. The next thing, if the problem says find the common multiple, find the common multiple, this is where to locate them. As we know, common meaning the same, right? So here, in this problem, we have 6 and 6 are common multiples of 2 and 3. So therefore, we write 6 here. Oh, sorry. We'll write 6 common multiple. CM means common multiple. Then we have 6. Okay, hold on. Bigger. Okay, common multiple. And what else can we find here that is common? How about 12? Yeah, 12 is a common multiple. So these are common multiples of 2 and 3. 6, 12, or perhaps if we continue here, I think I can find 18 as well. So if I continue, this 2 times 6 is 12, 2 times 7 is 14, right? 2 times 8 is 16. Sorry, 16. Then 2 times 9 is 18. So look at that. Meaning 18 also is a common multiple for 2 and 3. Okay? So these are common multiples. Now, what if a problem is asking you find the lowest common multiple? Okay? Find the lowest. Okay, hold on. Let me write it down. Okay, find the multiples of 2 and 3. Then the second problem is find the common multiples of 2 and 3. Okay, let me just copy this one. Okay, I'll fix it here. Look at that. Find the common, common multiples of 2 and 3. If that's another problem there, hold on. Then this is your answer. This is your answer. I mean, these are your answers. Answer. These are your answer. Common multiple. Okay, so that is your answer for this problem. What if you are asked to find the, okay, I'll just write LCM of 2 and 3. Now, okay, again, this is an answer. Find the LCM of 2 and 3. Okay, wait, let me do something here so that it will be identified that it's a problem. Okay, look at that. Okay, now find the LCM of 2 and 3, meaning the lowest common multiple of 2 and 3. So what will be your answer? Now, since you have this as your answers for common multiple, right? That is your common multiple. Okay, so what do you think is the lowest between 6, 12, and 18? It's very obvious. Your answer will be the LCM LCM is 6. That's it. So that is your LCM. Okay? I hope you understand that. So that is your answer for this illustration that we have in this topic. Okay? If you have any questions, you can ask me in our group chat, in line, so that you'll be able to understand better. You can ask me there. Okay, so I'll give you one more example so that you'll be more acquainted with this kind of problems. Here, I have this. No. This is what we have earlier, right? Okay, so again, we are still using listing. Find the lowest common multiple. Now I'll cut this in. Okay, find the lowest common multiple of 6 and 8. Okay, and the second common multiple. Again, you'll be using the listing method. So you write 6 here. Okay, so 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 5 is 30. Okay, so 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 7 is 42. 6 times 8 is 48. So you might be asking, teacher, how are we supposed, or when are we supposed to stop? No, actually it's up to you, and it depends on the problem. Now, since there's two questions here, find the LCM and the second common multiple, normally I will design my multiples into until 8 multiples. Meaning, so from 6 I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, not even enough. 7. Okay, 8. From the first number that I do. I design. So 6 times, okay, hold on. 6 times 8 is 48. 6 times 9 is 54. Right? Okay, so after that, then I will move on to the other number that is given in the problem. So here we have 8. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. And then 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 6 is 48. Look at that. So when you notice that you already have the LCM, look, how did you know? Because see, the first time when you do the multiples of 6, hold on, you already find that there's a 24 here and there's 24 here. So now you already have your first answer, your LCM. So the LCM here is 24. Therefore, the LCM of 6 and 8 is 24. See? There's no other common there except 24. So that's the first common multiple. And then when you move on, so when you see, look at this, 48, then you need not to go on and multiply 8 times 7. Why? You already have the second. See, that's the second question is what is the second common multiple? So since you already have the common multiple 48 and 48 here, so you stop. As simple as that. So now you already managed to give the two answers in this question. The LCM of 6 and 8 is 24. That's the answer. And the second common multiple of 6 and 8 is 48. Okay? I hope you understand how to use listing in finding the multiple of a certain number. By the way, there's another way of extracting the multiples of a number. Um, I will give you another trick before we end up our lesson. I mean, this lesson. Okay? So, the other trick is just simply add the number. If you're not very good in multiplication, just simply add up the numbers that are given. So, look at this. If you add up 6 plus 6 is 12, right? So, 12 plus 6 is 18. 18 plus 6 is 24. See? Simple as that. 24 plus 6 is 30. So, you just keep on adding up the number. Okay? Then 30 plus 6 is 36. Look at that. 36 plus 6 is 42. 42 plus 6 is 48. 48 plus 6 is 54. And then, and so on and so forth. And then you move on to the next number. Look at this. 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 8 is 24. 24 plus 8 is 32. 32 plus 8 is 40. And 40 plus 8 is 48. And so on and so forth. Okay, so you can either use addition or by multiplying. So that's it for this lesson. I hope you understand. But remember, we have to continue. You have to keep on practicing. Talking about practicing, I'm giving you your practice exercises in this lesson in our group chat. So please go to our group chat in line because I'll be giving you the practice exercise. So I hope to see you again at our next lesson. After this will be finding LCM using prime factorization. So in this video we finish now. So again, I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye. Try to do a review as well, okay?